It's a message for Donald Trump. There's been a lot of talk lately about what's going on with the UN in the Middle East and what Obama just did going on over there, saying he's not down with Israel. All right. People got excited when this happened. They're saying, oh, Trump, you know, he's a man of Yah, or some people call God. All right. I don't know his relationship with the Creator. All I know, dude, you're looking at things, Mr. Trump, from a Christian's view of the world. You need to do some studying, man. Do not get in bed with them fake Jews. In Revelation, it's a warning about the synagogue of Satan. That's them fake Jews. The real Jews you need to be worried about are the black people over here getting killed, the black people in other countries scattered in the slave trade. That's the real biblical Hebrew Israelite, the quote-unquote, as the world calls, Jews. Okay? So some of y'all going to jump on here right away. Some of you Khazars are saying I'm anti-Semitic for telling historical facts. Sorry, y'all. You might have been taught you was Jews. Maybe by faith you are, but you are not the biblical bloodline. All right? That's the black folks scattered among the nations. Wake up, deal with it. Donald Trump, fuck the UN, fuck them Khazars. You need to do your homework, brother, before it's too late. Don't get in bed with them cats. I'm out.